What's with this smile? You think this is a fucking glamour shot?
Wait till you see how your fingers fuck you now.
What?
Squat and cough. Cliff!
Here's a new home. Now you on your own.
Hey, ladies, fresh meat!
Hey, baby.
It's gonna be okay, Joel. So, do you have anybody buying hummus?
I don't know.
I got my snack back, girls.
Oh, hi.
Which simp put Maya in your books this time?
Danny.
Oh, he's so
I think he
sweet.
loves you.
Want to do some work for these gummies? I'll take that as a yes.
Does it hurt?
Oof. Ah. Shit, Bobby knocks up deep.
I love it.
You guys think Danny will like it?
That is
Definitely.
so cute.